Did you know that your phone comes with default settings that allow any app or website on your phone to access your phone number? This is not good because not all apps and websites are trustworthy. Your number could end up in scammers, databases, or advertising companies, leading to annoying calls from people trying to sell you something or deceive you. In this video, I will explain in detail how to disable these settings and protect your privacy. Step 1. Prevent your phone number from being shared with apps. Open your phone's main settings. Scroll down until you find Google and tap on it. Then, tap on All Services. Scroll down until you find the phone number sharing option. This setting allows Google to share your phone number with third-party apps when they request it. To protect yourself, turn off the switch next to it. Step 2. Stop sharing your number with websites and Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome browser on your phone in the upper right corner or left, depending on your device language. Tap on the three dots, scroll down a bit, and tap on Settings. Then, tap on Addresses and More. You'll find an option called Save and Fill Addresses. This feature allows websites you visit to access your saved phone number in the browser. To prevent this, turn off the switch next to it. Step 3. Manage app permissions. Some apps request permission to access your contacts, which gives them access to your phone number and your friends' numbers. To control this, open your phone's main settings. Use the search bar in the settings and type Permission Manager. Tap on it, then select Contacts. You'll see a list of apps that have permission to access your contacts. Review these apps and ask yourself, does this app really need access to my contacts? For example, does Gallery need contact access? Definitely not. If it's unnecessary, tap on it and select Don't Allow. Repeat this step for all suspicious apps. Control call log permissions. Some apps request access to call logs, which can allow them to see your phone number and your contacts numbers. Go back to Permission Manager. Search for call logs and tap on it. Review the apps that have this permission and ask yourself, do they really need access to call logs? If not, tap on them and select Don't Allow. Repeat this for all suspicious apps. Why is it important to do these steps? Protect yourself from annoying advertising calls. Prevent suspicious apps from selling your data to third parties. Maintain your privacy and protect your personal information. Reduce the chances of fraud or online scams. If you remove permission from an app that actually needs it, don't worry. The app will ask you for permission again when necessary, and you can allow it if you think it's essential. Protecting your data is your responsibility, so stay cautious. Follow for more Android tips. Subscribe to keep your phone safe and fast.